Ka Skul Saint Xavier'S Secondary School New Nostan mentakas ngi ka praterik urisau arjar arpsau. Kaliyo ban Pynkut no ega Jingrakhe dap arpsan Snem Jongka lani ka Silver Jubilee Celebration hapdang ka Jingipui Ping ha ka baw ba Gabriel Walang MLA ka Nostan Constituency ulahap ban shim ka banta jong Chief Minister Konrad K Sangma kumu kongsan nakada ko jing pompoishu jong CM namarki kam bakarki ban Chagaru Hills. Ha ka tigas ngi dan langru MLA berim ka Nostan ba Macmillan Bersat UMDC ka Mokrwat ba Karnes Osyang ufada Rolando Slingdo Principal jong Skul pada James Lingdo bat kiwei kum kadak jong Jingrakhe tigas ni bekarpang nakaliang jong kongsan haringkat kiwei pat kila tebe ru eka syarak bat pelaj paj ba ru eka souvenir jong Skul ya kabala samru kiwei pat kinong syakhot ngobha lapen ipu ipeng ete program ka jing sim benta jong khana Skul ha ka jing shat jing ruai ka jing sami husna bat kiwei ki program bekarpang bat nakaliang jong kongsan ulayo ru bat panhab eka lama kum kadak bala Pynkut no eka Jingrakhe dap arsan Snem jong Skul
Tulang baro happy.
Community with commitment and dedication through the instrumentality of its founders, the past and the present management, community and parents, faculties and students. It is undeniable that St. Xavier'S was and is the instrument of change in the lives of many, like any other educational institution in the state. I am reluctant to say, because an absurd thought has been circulating around with a label brand that St. Xavier'S is one of the last option schools in Longstoin town. However, I do not agree at all with that because it is not the actual reality with our St. Xavier'S. I have my reasons. Because for many, the word St. Xavier'S is hovering vividly in their minds and hearts with sparkles of smile on their faces. For many parents, it has been a place where they have put their whole trust for designing and molding their children's future. For many, it has been a source of motivation to wake up every day in search of knowledge. For many, it has been a spark of hope and courage to venture into the unclear future reality ahead of them. For many, it has been a platform where skills and arts are combined for employability. For many, it has been a furnace where challenges were fought and struggles were overcome in the pursuit of knowledge and excellence. For many, it has been a home to good friendship and unforgettable company. For many, it has been a schooling of character building and a sector of inculcating national, social, cultural and moral values and ideals.
Ai chano lo benda baru bos adu kinong sense ko na do ano no kiyong ba there wait for the right time at the right time na try ka jingin majumi kam dito at the right time tarantang kapor bagin jiat ito kapor but ka ito ng kam dia kapor barhani ino di principal of the kim jubu at the right time dino hina yani kim jubu at the right time kam dito na isim ya kapor bagi penonton ya kapor dan waktu bahaya beri lihat di balik itu tapi non kalaway na kung nosan tapi non kalaway na kung kajat beliau itu aswan sikit na kitin na kung lihat di balik itu kajingjak ka jumpi bagi boys ka kon kada kibon kam yang ka positive mindset ka jumpi bon lagi kena ijui Kim Julong ni ka positive mindset aga monong ka nanjob ya kano bakay katon baru ibu ya jingar rutin ibu ya katon tak ibu rangkat ke jingar apa pinjat cepat yak baik rangkat ke Jingïaid itu bi buat tim dan tweet pa dan tinawigay ng tersanib ban yang baik ha ka thong ko pi ve banyan ba ka ta ka thong ba jong pi rengkap ka Jingïaid ka jingshania hau play ban ai pi ko ban sim ki yo baik yang so jong ka Jingïaid ka jong pi